Welcome to week 9. I was about to say we're done with trig, but we're not really done with trig, but we're done teaching you new trig. I want to show you something here. This thing right here is something that I carved using my CNC router. The surface is described by functions that are trig and inverse trig functions. This thing is a lot of fun. Anyway, it's the same top and bottom. I just flipped the board over and carved the thing twice. Anyway, this is what I do with trig. I make cool things with it. And the topic that we have this week of polar coordinates gives me an ability to do all kinds of cool things with really simple functions, where X's and Y coordinates describe the plane using X and a Y coordinate to describe a point. This week we're going to talk about polar coordinates, which use an angle and a distance to describe a point. And so they can describe all the points in the planes by giving a particular angle and giving a distance away from the origin. And then we use that to see what kind of graphs we can get and what sort of other information we can get out of it. Anyway, that's the whole topic this week, is polar coordinates and graphs of polar functions. Let me get out of the way here. So as usual, the instructions and the content are here. There's a whole bunch of videos and practice problems. There are some practice problems I should point out, but there's fewer than usual, so referring to the book and doing problems out of the book is probably a good thing this week. It's always a good thing, but more so this week just because there's fewer of the WAMAP problems in the content here. Of course, there's a discussion to ask your questions, and on Wednesday there will be a quiz that appears right below the discussion as usual. Okay, you have till Sunday night at midnight to get that done. This is fun stuff. I love polar coordinates because of the things it allows me to do. I hope you enjoy them too. Please ask your questions if you have any.